I'm Haley Cooprider, the Elementary Literacy Coordinator for Wight County Schools, back with another Coop's Quick Clips. With our old curriculum, students are given a baseline assessment to determine the best reading level for them. You might remember those colors. With our new curriculum and assessments, students are no longer given a level. Instead, students will have foundational reading, vocabulary, fluency, and comprehension skills identified as an area of strength and sometimes an area of growth for instruction. These will be determined by the screeners we use, such as VALS and STAR. More about those assessments in another clip. In the meantime, what can you do at home if there are no levels? Rather than asking your child about what reading level they are on, talk about what book they are reading. Ask your student what skills they are working on to be a better reader. Another change that's going to come with the focus on skills versus levels will be on the report card. You will no longer see the reading level listed on the report card. Instead, you will see above, below, or on grade level for reading instruction. More information about what that means will be stated in the teacher comment section of the report card. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and keep on reading.